Hey, your weekend gardener here, just checking on some trees. It is, I don't know if it's springtime, but it is March 6th. And, ooh, I see a pollinator. I didn't think they would be out. But it's like 58 degrees today, and I see a pollinator busy helping me out with this tree. This is the Santa Rosa plum. It's supposed to start blooming or budding right about now. But as you can see, it's blooming. It blossomed. Here are the flowers. I was a little afraid because we still have a few more weeks of cold weather. Our last frost is April 15th. And like I said, it is March the 6th. So the plum tree is showing out. It looks beautiful. I'm definitely going to have to weed it. This is purple dead nettle, which is a form of mint. It actually has medicinal purposes, or you can actually make tea out of it. Not sure what else you can do with it, but maybe I'll try it this year, maybe I won't. Dry it and then make tea. But that stuff usually grows all over my yard. All right, over here we have my peach tree. This is the patio. This is one of my oldest trees I've had on the property. I think it's a bonsai. I do want to take it out of this pot and put it in ground because I think it has a large taproot. Like I said, we're still kind of in the winter time and the yard is a mess. But I'm going to take you on a little quick tour of how everything is doing on this side of the yard. Not too concerned with that side. Just looking, I don't see the trees doing too much. Over here, the trees are out of control. Okay, this is my Belle of Georgia. First winter. So this tree is about a year old on my property. And here it is, budded out. I heard a lot of great things about this tree. Hopefully I can get some fruit off it this year. All right, this is my dwarf. It don't look like a dwarf to me. But this is my dwarf apricot. And starting to flower. Third year. It actually, 2021, I did a video on this tree. It was about right here, 3-4 feet. Now it looks like it's on its way to 25. Didn't expect this tree to get this large. It is flowering. I've had fruit on it before, maybe 6 apricots. Either they fell off because the tree is young or squirrels got them. My money's on the squirrels. Those little vicious rodents are just all over the place. Okay, my AU Rosa plum. Pollinators are all over it. And that's what I was hoping. I was hoping because the other day when I saw the flowering, I said it's too cold for bees, but there they are. They don't look like honeybees, but as long as they're jumping on the flowers and spreading that love, I'm okay with that. Got a cherry tree back there. I think I'm gonna move that cherry tree. The area, it gets maybe about 5 hours of sun. Cherry tree needs more. Maybe I'll put it in the new man cave. Or like one of my buddies said, call it a cafe. I got big plans for this area. A lot of cleaning to do. Okay, there you have it. Update on how my trees are doing early March. I know we have some cold weather coming, but hopefully it does not hurt these trees, because if it does, I won't have fruit at all this year. I will have to wait another year. Pomegranates asleep. Those usually don't wake up until about Ooh, late May. Blueberries, someone waking up. This year we're going to get blueberries. We're going to get fruit. We're going to protect against the tree demons. All right, thanks for watching. On my way out, I forgot I do have other peach trees. Here's one right here. Oh, the name came off. My feelings are hurt. I think it's a Babcock. This is my Babcock tree, peach tree. Here's another peach right here. I believe this is the Alberta. Nope, this is the Hail Haven. Hail Haven, there it is. Ah, got a bloom. Another bloom. Just need some pollinators to come over here and take care of this. All right. Here's another. This is my Alberta. Boom, Alberta. Pink. It's budding out all over the place. In the last 2 years of these trees, I had a lot of peaches. A lot of peaches. Over there, a lot of plums. And I know for sure that the squirrels got these while they were green. The year before, they got them right as they were getting ready. They were so close, and I waited too long, and the squirrels got me. Yeah, we're not doing that this year. This year, I'm going to be on guard. Peaches, here we come. Peace.